Meeting lions is always something special. The first that I met during this trip was at safari plains, and it was a whole herd. It was a pretty open area, so that's definitely a place where you're going to find lions if they're here. And they were pretty relaxed because there were some impalas around them and they just didn't care about it. The funny thing is that when we arrived, I was focused on the herd and I didn't realize that one of them was just here 2 or 3 meters away from the car. At some point, the lion shaked, and with the rain, it was absolutely beautiful. Then it came back with the rest of the herd, and we even got closer to really get some close-up shots of the lion's faces.